If you're landing at JFK Airport and wondering how to get to Times Square in Manhattan without spending a lot of money on a taxi, then this video is for you. As soon as you land at JFK Airport and collect your luggage, then the first thing you need to do is look for the signs that say, AirTrain. These signs are located throughout the airport and are very easy to follow. After following the AirTrain signs, take the elevator up to the AirTrain level. From there, walk to the AirTrain platform. Once you reach the platform, you need to take the AirTrain going to Jamaica Station. Don't worry, the signs clearly show which train is heading to Jamaica Station. Get on the Jamaica Station AirTrain and enjoy the ride. This train connects JFK Airport to the New York transit system and is the first step of our journey to Manhattan. After a short ride, you will arrive at Jamaica Station. This is where you leave the AirTrain and follow the signs for the subway. Now it's time to take the E-train toward Manhattan. Follow the signs to the E-train platform and board the train heading toward Manhattan in the World Trade Center. This is one of the cheapest ways to travel from JFK Airport into New York City. Before entering the subway, you can use OMNY or a MetroCard to pay for your ride. We are now heading down to the E-train platform. Make sure you board the E-train going toward Manhattan in the World Trade Center. One thing I really like about this route is that everything is well signposted, so you don't need to worry about getting lost. The E-train is one of the most convenient and affordable ways to get from JFK Airport into Manhattan. Now sit back and enjoy the ride as the train travels through Queens and into Manhattan. After approximately 50 to 60 minutes, get off at 42nd Street Port Authority Bus Terminal Station. Once you exit the station, Times Square is only a few minutes walk away. And just like that, you've made it from JFK Airport to Times Square using public transportation while saving a lot of money compared to taking a taxi. This route is simple, affordable, and perfect for first-time visitors to New York City. I hope this guide helps you on your next trip. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.